Hi friends, welcome to Kalpana's kitchen. Today we will be preparing Alucha Detacha Sambare. I have already shared two recipes using these alu leaves and stems. The first one was aluchi pattal bhaji and the second was aluche patwad. Today's recipe I'll be making use of the stems alone. This is again a traditional Pathar Babu dish, and the name of the dish, as I said, is Alucha Detatsa Sambari. Here, the stems will be cooked in coconut milk, and it's a pure vegetarian dish. After washing the stems, the alu stems, we'll have to peel the stems. So, here you can see with the help of a knife, I'm peeling them very easily. So, see that you peel the stems completely, and in the same manner you peel all the other stems. Fine. After you have finished peeling all the stems, you can hold them together and start finely chopping them. The alu stems are pretty soft, so it is not difficult to chop them together. Fine. I've taken a steel vessel and place the chopped alu stems in it. I will now add 1 cup of water. Put on the flame. I will also add half a teaspoon hing, that is asafoetida, and half a teaspoon of Pathar Prabhu Sambar Masala. I will now let this I will now let the stems cook for say 5 to 10 minutes. Fine. Here I have grated half a coconut and will extract coconut milk. I have extracted coconut milk from the grated coconut, and I will be adding 1 tablespoon chickpea flour, that is besan, to the thin coconut milk. Here I have taken tamarind and soaked it in little water. Here you can see the stems cooking. You can see now, and the 1 cup of water that we had added has evaporated completely. We will now add the thin coconut milk in which we had added the besan or the chickpea flour to the stems. Keep the fire on sim and add this thin coconut milk. Give it a stir and let the besan cook in it. When the bubbles appear, it means that the besan is cooked. So it's time to add the thick coconut milk. Again, see that the fire is on sim, and now give it a good stir again. You can now add 1 teaspoon or as per taste salt, and the tamarind that I soaked in water. It comes to say approximately 1 to 2 tablespoon, I think. Yep. Just add this to the sambar. Give it a good stir. If you're a non-vegetarian, at this stage you can add the prawns and give it a boil. For vegetarians, the sambar is ready to enjoy with. So friends, I hope you have enjoyed today Alutsa Sambare. Do not forget to press the button like, share and subscribe.